Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with GBP/USD. The pound fell on Thursday after the Bank of England said borrowing costs were likely to go up less than market expect and warned that the economy was heading for a recession even as it raised rates by the most in 3 decades. While the Bank of England pushed back against the traders' expectations that interest rates were likely to rise to around 5% next year. The pound was already down against the dollar on Thursday after the Fed meeting, but dropped sharply after the Bank of England decision and statement, at one point falling more than 2% to a low of 1.1150. Given the deteriorating economic conditions in England, as well as ongoing recession risks and a stronger dollar, the pound decline may continue. Immediate support is seen at 1.1150, a break below could take the pair towards 1.10. Next, USD Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar weakened to a near 2-week low against US dollar on Thursday before clawing back some of its losses as oil prices fell and investors turned attention to the release of US and Canadian unemployment data on Friday. The price of oil, one of Canada's major exports, settled 2% low at $88 a barrel as China stood by its zero-COVID policy and increase in US interest rates pushed up the US dollar, raising fears of a global recession. Today will be published data on the labor market in Canada. These statistics is the last chance for the Canadian dollar to strengthen its position. If the data is not disappointing, USD Canadian dollar will aim for a move above 1.3750. And finally, dollar index. The dollar strengthened against a basket of major currencies on Thursday as US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hawkish remarks continue to support the dollar. The Fed raised interest rates by 75 basis points on Wednesday and said its battle against inflation will require borrowing costs to rise further. Powell, in a press conference, said that the Fed has ways to go with interest rates before we get to the level that's sufficiently restrictive. He also added that the final level of rates will be higher than previously thought. His words brought back to the market expectations for a fifth 75 basis point rate hike in December. Given the above, the growth of the dollar may continue. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.